Crowns for dental use are a standard procedure that offers many benefits for patients. If you're thinking about having a crown placed on your teeth or want to know more about the benefits of the procedure, then you've arrived at the perfect spot. In this short video, we'll discuss the advantages of crowns for your teeth and the reasons they could be the best option for your dental health. 1. Protection and support. One of the main advantages of dental crowns is the ability they provide protection and strengthen a weak or broken tooth. They are specifically designed to protect the entire surface of the tooth, giving it an additional layer of protection and stability. It can prevent the recurrence of injury, like fractures or cracks. It also could strengthen your tooth and allow it to perform normal. 2. Improved aesthetics. Another advantage of crowns for your teeth can be their capacity to enhance the appearance of your smile. Crowns are made of various materials such as ceramic, porcelain, and even metal. This allows your dentist to make the exact color and form of your crown to the shape and color of the natural tooth. It can also help to restore the appearance of a damaged or stained tooth and improve the appearance of your smile. 3. Longevity. Dental crowns can be a durable option for weak or damaged teeth. If properly maintained and cared for, the dental crown will be used for a long time, offering a long-lasting solution to restore the health of your mouth. Crowns are made to stand up to the damage caused by speaking and eating, which makes crowns a durable and secure treatment for tooth problems. 4. Restoration of function. If you suffer from weak or damaged teeth, it may be difficult eating or speaking correctly. Crowns for dental use can aid in restoring the functionality of teeth and allow people to chew food and talk with no discomfort or trepidation. In covering and securing the tooth that has been damaged, the crown will bring back its strength and function and help you keep the health of your mouth and overall well-being. 5. Prevention of further damage. In covering and securing the tooth that has been damaged, the dental crown will aid in preventing any further decay or damage. Crowns function as a shield against harmful bacteria as well as food particles, which reduces the chance of developing cavities or infection. They can also help maintain the natural health of your teeth and avoid having to undergo more expensive treatment in the near future. Dental crowns provide a variety of advantages for those looking to improve their oral health as well as improve their appearance. From support and protection to enhanced aesthetics and long-term durability, crowns are a secure and long-lasting solution to weak or damaged teeth. If you're thinking about having a crown placed on your teeth, talk to your dentist about it and decide if the procedure is suitable for you.